In this episode I want to show the acceleration of this car. I don't know if I can achieve what the manufacturers, what Hyundai says, because it has winter tires on and it's a tiny bit wet on the road. So, and I already noticed in October when I was driving it that the wheels wheels were spinning a few times even on dry roads, so I doubt that I will get a very good time, but I will try. So I will go at a stretch around here where it's amazingly flat, and I will just do my acceleration test from 0 to 100 and from 60 to 100, and I want to do this in the few drive modes that we have: Eco, Comfort and Sport. I'm not gonna do it in Eco Plus because Eco Plus can only go 90 kilometers per hour. Okay, let's go. Excited. Go. That was good. But when I pressed the pedal, it took a second till it started. There we are. 60, full. Yeah, in Comfort, it's right away. Very good. And go. Yeah, it puts it down. And it's right there. So that's the big difference. Acceleration is not that big of a difference, but when you press the pedal till something happens. Three, two, one, go! He puts it down, no wheel spin. Very good. There we go. Very nice. And 3, 2, 1, go! Yes, yes, yes! This side of the road is better. Woohoo! 3, 2, 1, go! Almost, almost, almost. I take this as an attempt. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.